We are doing Mr. Brazido again. Well, unfortunately, it seems like he's the only man that is doing the thing. Okay? But anyway, one day is one day. We'll react to other people, okay? If they allow us, and if not, it's okay. But let's go, ladies and gentlemen, okay?
Brazido, your favorite real estate agent, and today we are in Glen Vista. But before I take you through and before you fall in love today, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that post notification button so you do not miss a thing, and especially for this exciting opportunity. So let's start from the very beginning. We're starting from the front. We are on Mount Pelin Drive. It's debatably the best road in the south of Johannesburg, Glen Vista. Okay, it's in a boomed off position. So there's three booms. There's three. One on the other side. There's actually one further up, one that side, and two are locked at night. So this is the only way in and out in the evenings, which I think is great. It overlooks the Glen Vista golf course. Literally on the other side, you can put a gate in, you walk onto the golf course and you go practice that chipping. And then if you go out the boom and you turn left, we have the new mall that has just gone up, Omni Square. Tasha's, Pantry, Atki, really great restaurants. So, and obviously if you want to get into fitness, go for a walk, take the dogs, enjoy life, and because that's why you're buying it. I remember growing up, the house next door, Adrian Joubert, his family used to own the house next door, and we used to come here on weekends and we used to just open the gates, go onto the golf course, and it was just so amazing. It really was. It just brings back so many great memories every time I drive up this road. Karabo and myself, we actually sold the house next door. My wife and I actually went to go look at it as an opportunity to invest and renovate and potentially sell, because this is one of those opportunities. It's not ultra modern. It isn't. So don't expect ultra modern, especially for the price that we're at. But you're going to enjoy long-term growth and capital appreciation on this home. So the stand is just under 1,500 squares. It's 1,484 square meters. Double garages, face brick. Okay, so low maintenance. You don't have to paint. A nice wide paved driveway, bricked driveway. You have a garden in the front and a garden in the back. But what's on the other side of that view is a special view. It's the Glen Vista golf course, and you're going to enjoy those sunset views depending on what month or time of the year it is. So I've got someone joining us today, which is Karabo. I know I mentioned his name, so we're going to meet him at the front, and we are looking forward to taking you through this amazing home.
Welcome to what could be your next home. In Glen Vista, as Nuno mentioned, really fantastic home, special in the fact that it assumes a very, very great position, one that very few homes assume in this neighborhood. Again, Glen Vista, one of the top 3 suburbs. People who buy in Glen Vista very seldomly sell. So they're here for a very long time, and we think you'll be here as well for some time. Again, this is probably one of those homes that you'll buy, bash a few walls, get creative, and just really transform it into what it needs to be for this time and this age that we're in. Welcome to your first living area. Again, I would probably just bash this out, open it out a little. But again, the purpose of that is you want to almost like capture these amazing views. You've got sunsets in that direction every single day when it's not raining, of course. But again, it's like such an amazing home. The sizes of the windows are quite large. And again, I think the architect at the time really did a great job to try and capture and frame different parts of the golf course by creating a home that's, built like this.
Before we go see the rest of the living space, I just want to hop outside. I have to show you this view, because this is what you're buying. You're buying this view where you're just going to fall in love every single day. Swimming pool over here, entertainment area, picture the bras, boerewors rolls, the lamb chops, whatever you are into. We have a railing over here, and we have stairs that take you down to the bottom. I would open up a gate. Krabs, do you know if you need permission to open up a gate?
You probably would just need to chat to the guys at the country club.
Okay.
But there are homes that have got gates and access to the country club. They take their dogs for a walk in the evening.
Have a look at the hills. The Glen Vista Hills, this over here is amazing. It really, really is. So I can't stress it enough. It's all about the position, and I'm excited at this home. Let's step back inside. Karabo under roof, it's 274 squares.
274 square meters. But again, I think whilst we're on the position subject, you are very close to the new shopping center called Omni, which has the pantry restaurant, Acti. You've got Basonia Shopping Center as well. You've got an array of schooling facilities which are available. Trinity House, St. Declan's, Grace Trinity, Waterstone College, which is not too far from here. It's just one of those homes that just make sense.
Karabo, do you remember when I phoned you? I said, Karabo, for the house next door that we sold together.
Yeah.
I said, I need to bring my wife. And then we were going through our numbers. And then before we knew it, someone beat us to it.
And
So this is one of those homes,
we had
exact
to be
same
fair.
thing.
We had to be fair to those buyers, and sorry, man, it's the
still
one that
crying.
got away. Sorry.
Still crying. Anyways, let's step back and yay. Okay, so as Karabo mentioned, living room over here. This space was their dining room.
one
I'm
of
going to
those.
take you into the kitchen because you're going to prepare your food, and then you're going to come out unless you're having a bra outside. But you have a nice big open kitchen, granite tops, space for your fridge, and then this way leads you to your double garages. Okay. I'm going to show you the skylight in a bit. Just give me 1 second. And then this is your fourth bedroom. Built-in cupboards. That door takes you to the outside, and then you have a very neat floor-to-ceiling bathroom with a shower. You can see it is classical. So you would take out everything, retile, either put your screed, laminate flooring, tiling, completely up to you. But this is a position that you would do that. This week there was a sale over 5 million on this road. So it says a lot about the position. Okay, then we have your scullery over here. Beautiful granite top, space for your microwave, and this just takes you to the outside and takes you to the front. Oven, you have all your appliances, and then let's go left. And I like just the character in this home because you have some plastered walls and then you have some brick exposed walls, right? It just brings the character, and this is an atrium over here. So what an atrium is, there's no roof above you, there's drainage and there's plantation around you with this specific one has a palm tree over here. This is beautiful. It just makes me think of the coast, holiday, life's good, because life is good. Okay, so guest toilet, original blue tiles, keep it, change it, do what you need to do. I actually quite like it, to be honest.
I would keep it. Just adds to, I think, the retro sense that the home will have. But this is the current study. Again, you've got built-in cupboards, space for 2 people to sit and work from. It can also become another bedroom if it is needed.
That bedroom.
Which would be number 5. But something really great is that you can kind of sneak views of the pool next door, which is really, really awesome. But that's not what we're selling. We're selling you this home, which has its own really amazing views.
Okay, and then you have your TV room, and it's aluminium frames throughout the home. This is a special, special, special room. And if I were to buy it, and I thought, because I know I've done 1 or 2 videos, actually 1 video, it's flip or forever. If this is going to be your forever home, I'd almost open up like a deck off here, because it just opens up your view that much more than from there. So, like, who would not want that view to be your view, and just to come home, enjoy a glass of wine and the sunset?
It's really amazing. And again, if you do obviously go with like a suspended deck, like a composite decking that almost like opens out, it adds to your entertainment capacity that the home has. But there's so much potential in this home, so much that you can do. And you're going to love the bedrooms. In the western wing of the home, they also enjoy some really fantastic views. And it's great that they're tucked away from the entertainment parts of the home. And how about this for a view from a bedroom?
And size, right?
Size, again.
High ceilings.
Correct. Even in terms of just the sliding doors, you've got like glass, almost like floor to ceiling. Your cupboards also floor to ceiling, and you've got ample space.
I remember growing up, this was my cupboard, yeah. That was it. It used to make use of it. That's what it was.
Exactly. But
So-
this is what you have. And again, you might feel like the home has like too many geometric lines. That was the architecture of the time. And that's what kind of helps frame all the views that kind of this home enjoys.
And it actually gets higher
100%.
in terms of the ceiling height. We have a dresser over here, good cupboard space, and then again, all opening up onto the pool and onto that view.
I think you can get a lot of straight A's with views like this every morning, eh?
Yes, definitely.
Kids owe you like 5
Definitely.
straight A's every semester.
Now
or
we
every
have the
term.
main.
Well, you may be asking, do I like it?
Boy, those sunset
I don't
views.
know. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
The-
I don't know. 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 I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Okay. To be honest with you guys, I don't think I can buy it unless you buy it. Hey, what are you going to do to it? I don't know. I don't know. From where I'm sitting, nope. I don't think I'll pass, bro. I don't want to lie to you. I think I'll pass on this one. But of course, there are people who may like it to renovate it and make it maybe something sort of like modern or new, you know, something like that. But obviously, that's gonna cost you because gonna have to start afresh. And the first brick thing, it's all over the place. And if you want to change it now, that's going to be a lot of money, obviously. But anyway, I don't know what do you think, guys, but from where I'm sitting, no, for me. But anyway, please like the video, subscribe. We're watching from Nuno Brazil. We are out.